those of you watching from China, 我西安雷伊皮古 JI， 新地 I need men to see in lengai 我就无数白出乌呀。
Hi, it's Oscar host Conan O'Brien's Chinese pronunciation. Let's break down. In this video, Conan attempted to speak Chinese during his speech at the Oscars and caused quite a buzz online. He tried to say 3 sentences. The first sentence, 我欠了一屁股债, meaning I owe a huge debt. Literally, I owe a lot of debt. Conan's pronunciation of 我欠了 was relatively clear, but there is one aspect that should be improved. Let's break down. Le, this is a particle used after a verb to indicate past tense. It should be light, neutral, and short. Correct way. 我欠了一屁股债. Tip, always make le short and light to sound natural. 一屁股债, a local Chinese expression meaning a lot of debt. Literally, a butt of debt. P, false tone, falling tone. Gu, neutral tone, light and short. pìgu, together it means butt. Emphasize the false tone on P and keep gu light. Zai, false tone, falling tone. Practice saying pìgu with the correct tones P, strong and falling, plus gu, light and short. pìgu, 我欠了一屁股债. The second sentence, this part was totally confusing. Not even native speakers could understand. The English subtitle shows, please consider using me in your many films. If correctly translated, it should be something like 请考虑让我多演电影. But what Conan actually said, no one could understand. This proves how pronunciation and tones can make a huge difference in Chinese. If you break down word by word, 请 please, 考虑 consider, 让 let, allow, 我 I, me, 多 more, 演 act, perform, 电影 movie, 请考虑让我多演电影. The third sentence, 拜托了, meaning please, I'm begging you. Conan's pronunciation was not bad, but let's pay attention to one small detail. The word 托 ends with o sound, which requires your mouth to round and end o. Say it with me. 托. Round your lips at the end. 托. Do you want your Mandarin pronunciation make Chinese understand you? Keep practice and mimic my pronunciation.